Hi friends, welcome to Win Updates in English YouTube channel. I have already have a Kannada YouTube channel as well. If you are a Kannadiga, so that you can follow that channel as well. So coming to today's topic, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable incognito mode in Google Chrome. So if you are a Windows user, definitely you would have installed Google Chrome in your laptop or desktop. So sometimes what happens is due to registry corruption or some other reasons, incognito mode is going to be disabled. That is the reason I'm going to show you today how to re-enable it. So let's get started. So friends, to perform this action you should have an administrator access. So before that, if I want to show you a error, so how it will be. So as you can see, there is no in new incognito mode or window tab here. So to enable this, we have to has a administrator access to, so that if you are using a Windows if you are using a own computer or own laptop, so you must as administrator access. So to do this, you first step is to close the Chrome. Then you should press Windows plus R button keys, and you should enter here regedit. Then after entering regedit, click on OK. So if you have an administrator access, it will ask you to yes or no. Then you should click yes. So once you click yes, you will it will take you to registry editor tab. So as you can see, there are 5 or 6 compartments here. So you should go you should click on local machine and expand it. Then you should go to software. Then scroll down a little bit. So once you scroll down, as you can see, there are some policies here. Policy, you should click on that policy and expand it. And as you can see, there are some applications here. So you should click on Google Chrome, expand it. So then there will be one more folder like Chrome. So you should click on it. So if you come to on the right side, you will able to see here incognito mode availability. So suppose if that is a issue, see, incognito mode is not working. That is the reason here value data is equal to 1. So suppose if you make it 0 and it says it is enabled. If it is there 1, it is disabled. So you should make it 0. Then click on OK. Then close the register edit tab. So to perform this action without the restart, so you should do one more settings, that is you should update the GP group policy. So that you have to click Windows plus R keys, and you should enter your CMD. So here you have to enter some commands, that is GP updates /force. Then click on enter. So once you enter, as you can see, it says updating policy. So it might take only 1 or 2 minutes. So after it says computer policy update has completed successfully. So now let's check whether it is working or not. So opening Google Chrome. So once I click on the Google Chrome, as you can see, that new incognito window is enabled. So friends, I hope by these steps you can able to view the incognito mode or incognito window on your laptop or desktop. So I hope this video is helpful. If you like my videos, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So until next video, bye, have a nice day.